Canada indigenous chief Alan Adam battered during arrest. Video of an indigenous chief's violent arrest has shocked Canada, turning a spotlight on systemic racism in the country's police force. The footage shows Athabasca Chipewing First Nations chief Alan Adam being floored and repeatedly punched by a Royal Canadian Mounted Police officer. The confrontation took place in Fort McMurray, Alberta on 10 March. Protests demanding police reform have spread across Canada recently after spilling over from US, although RCMP Commissioner Brenda Lucki initially said she cannot say for sure whether systemic racism is a problem with the police. On Friday afternoon, she released a statement saying systematic racism is part of every institution, the RCMP included. Throughout our history and today, we have not always treated racialized and indigenous people fairly, she wrote. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau called for an independent investigation. What does the video show? Before the public release of the footage on Thursday night, the local RCMP division said they had reviewed it and found the officer's actions reasonable. The incident begins when an RCMP officer approached Mr. Adam and his wife over an expired license plate. The nearly 12-minute long video recorded by a dashcam from the RCMP officer's vehicle parked behind Mr. Adams' lorry in a Casino car park begins with Mr. Adam having a tense and profanity-laden discussion with the officer. "I'm tired of being harassed by the RCMP," he says. Mr. Adam and the officers continue to have a heated argument. At about the 4:45 mark, the officers tries to arrest his wife, twisting her arm behind her back until she says, "Oh." That is when Mr. Adams gets out again, shouting, "Leave my wife alone." He pushes the officers away. Everyone gets back in the vehicle. Backup is called and Mr. Adam gets out of the lorry. The officers begins to arrest him and Mr. Adam says, "Don't touch me," during an expletive. That is when a second officer runs at him full speed, knocks him down, and repeatedly punches him while shouting, "Don't resist." The incident is being investigated by the Alberta Serious Incident Response Team, which oversees incidents involving police where someone is hurt. What do Alan Adam and his lawyer say? Mr. Adam told Canadian media, "Because we are a minority and nobody speaks up for us. Every time our people do wrong and the RCMP go and make their call, they always seem to use excessive force, and that has to stop, and enough is enough." Mr. Adam lawyer Brian Barish warns his client charges, which include assaulting an officer and resisting arrest, to be dropped. Mr. Adam is next due in court on 2 July. Mr. Barish has practiced law for 44 years and says police violence against indigenous people has been a contentious issue. "I have seen this from the first day I have started to practice," the told the BBC. "I would like there to be some positive action taken by RCMP in terms of how they can prevent this happening again. If this can happen with my client who is a respected chief, what about the First Nations person who is living on the street who doesn't have my client standing?"